What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make free calls on phone and landline number in all our world. Apps such as Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger which enable free calls but they are on net, which require the receiver to have an active internet connection for the call to take place. What if the call takes place offline without the need of internet connection? Sounds good? Let's get started. Install the app to talk. It's an awesome app that lets you make free calls to any mobile landline number in this world. The download link is available in the video description. The best thing about this, the called person is not required to have the ToTalk app and internet connection. It's more than sufficient if only you have ToTalk app installed on your device. Open the app and give it necessary permissions. After that, click on register. Choose your country code and give your phone number here to activate it. After entering the mobile number, click on next. You will receive verification code via SMS. Enter the code and press on done. Here are 4 tabs: Recents, Contacts, Messages and Me. You can call on mobile and landline numbers in all our world for free. When you sign up for the first time, you get 20 credits. But you can earn daily free credit by clicking on the ads. To get credit, tap on the ads and most of the ad income distributed between the user as reward on next day. There are 3 pages where you will see ad in ToTalk app, in recent page, in calling page and after ending the call. The credits can later be used to make free calls through this app. Now let's move forward and make a call. Tap on the dial pad icon. Enter the number where you want to call. You can call almost all over the world and totally free. Enter the number and press the call button. And that's it. You can enjoy the unlimited free calls on mobile and the call person is not required to have the ToTalk app and internet connection. So use ToTalk app, make free phone calls and click on ads. Then you will get daily rewards in the next day. Here I show you my daily reward. In Me tab, click on reward and then engaging reward, and here is my daily reward. And now total DCT are 43, which you can use to make free phone calls. So that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Comment down below if you have any question and I will see you in the next one.